Let's look at some examples of material animation. Bringing up a standard cube and bringing up the material editor with the default property. We'll first show that we'll set this color to red for the base object and pretty much keep the default shader settings. And then we'll move ahead to frame 30 and change the color to green, and using the paint roller paint the object. Let's play this back and you'll see that the color will smoothly change from the red to the green. Setting up material animation creates a new type of animation track in the keyframe editor. Let's take a look. If we expand cube and under material we show animation, in this instance color, and the shader box. The paint funnel, or the funnel looking icon, um, using it will remove all animation properties for the material for that object, so beware of that. You'll almost always use the paint roller. Besides color changes, most all of the adjustments, say in the reflectance shader, are keyframeable. In this instance, we'll change the luminosity and the shine, and using the paint roller again at frame 30, we will then play back the animation and show you how this affects the object. Let's also take a quick look at bump maps, how that can be animated. We'll bring up, using a standard bump map, in this particular instance, instead of a procedural bump map, we'll select an image to use, and let's paint that onto our object at frame 0. And depending on your video card, you may or may not actually see bumps. Now let's reset settings for amplitude and the U and V repeats. We'll do this on frame 30, and using the paint roller again, paint that on, and let's see how this affects us.